That's what you need to do to cope, to survive. And then, with the help of support of therapy and family and loved ones, you can then get through that state and find the root cause and do this whole embracing, processing, and reconceptualizing in therapy and on your own. Because we've got to be able to manage our mind between, if you're going for therapy, for example, you go maybe once or twice a week. What do you do the other 6 days of the week? What are you doing 24 hours a day? You have to manage your mind. So we see from the scientific research, which I've done over these 38 years and which I've put in the book, is that you can manage your mind every 10 seconds. You actually, your conscious mind has veto power. We are able to stand back and observe our own thinking, feeling, and choosing. And when we do that, we access the inner wisdom, and then we can start seeing, oh, geez, I responded so badly in that way. And you start seeing, oh, I shouldn't have said it like this. Oh, that's why my colleague reacted, or my husband reacted, or my wife reacted, because I used this tone, this body language. I was kind of aggressive. I looked at them through the lens of how they used to respond. In other words, when we become more self-regulated, we can manage the moment by moment. And that's what I teach you with the neurocycle. And you can also see, if you consistently have a pattern, there's obviously a reason why. We never do anything for no reason. So there's a consistent toxic pattern in your life. You need to go do a 63-day neurocycle where you start doing the work daily of saying, why is there this pattern? What is the trigger? What are the emotional warning signals? What are the behaviors? What's the perspective? What's the root? And you do that work. So that's, in a nutshell,